Hi guys, today I want to touch bases again on the TMLs or Trimble Macro Language. As I mentioned in my previous video, you can basically program your own command into a Trimble Business Center by utilizing this language. If you want to find out more about the macro language, obviously just refer to my previous video. What does that give us? In a few videos back, I looked at a few free TMLs which come with Trimble Business Center. Before it became a command, it was the offset surface, for example, and so on and so on. Now, if you are like me and you have no clue how to program anything in programming language, there are guys from RockPile Solutions which have done a great job, and they came up with a whole bunch of great commands which we'll explore here in the near future. The first initial step is to go to their website, RockPile Solutions. I'm gonna post a link in the description. It's gonna be a short link, so just click on it and it will get you to this website. And download the RockPile Solution Commands 4.1, which was updated to reflect the 5.5 version of Trimble Business Center. Also, it's backwards compatible. Now, once you have it on your desktop, you don't want any Business Center running, and you want to double click, and this will give us a pop-up that, hey, this is not Windows approved. Obviously, we don't care because we trust these boys there, and we run it anyway. So this should install their TMLs. It's just usual, license agreement and a whole bunch of other stuff there. So it's completed. Now I'm gonna close and I'm gonna open Trimble Business Center, and we should see the new comments already installed there. I'm just checking if my key is installed. So let's see. Okay, so we are back to Business Center. It did run. There are some updates which we'll check out here in a few minutes. Now I'm just gonna open a blank template for this demo. Blank template, okay. And as we can see to the right here, we have RPS data prep, RPS modeling, and RPS toolshed, which are the RockPile Solutions toolbars. So let's go to toolshed and let's check out the TML status. As of now, the RockPile Solution, the TMLs, won't work when you're not online. So if you are in a remote location without internet, you are kind of hooked. As of me, the same thing here, even though I do have a better internet, but since I live out in the boonies, I think okay, so I'm trying to click the TML status, which is not working. So I believe, if I remember correctly, I should be logged in into my Trimble ID, because that's how they double check. So let's go to external pro. Oh yeah, I'm not logged in. So you have to create your Trimble identity profile and create a external service. So once you click on that, it will open the web page, and you need to kind of log in here. Okay, there we go. So I'm already signed in into all of the services here. So once I hit OK and I go to toolshed and I hit this, okay, so now it's working. So prior to having any prior opening any commands or anything from the RockPile solution, you have to be signed into the Trimble identity service. Now I ran TML status, which will show me which updates are available. So as you can see, there is lots of commands here. So right now we're gonna hit update and it's gonna download and update all the new TMLs. So once it does that, we're gonna have to restart Business Center to take full advantage of those. And let's see if the Business Center will start faster this time. I believe it might have been because the RockPile Solutions tried to verify the identity and it couldn't. Okay, so we're back here. Let's just open a brand new file here and let's see. So as you can see, we can go to our new RockPile Solutions and we can see all the commands which are available for us, and we'll go through few of them in the next few videos here. Before we go, I would like to touch bases on the comments. So link is gonna be below. If you want to see which comments are available, you just need to go on their website under TMLs and it will show you all the commands which are available for purchase and which combos are they're part of. And if you scroll all the way down, it is there are few which were already either incorporated into Trimble or are unlocked. So this would be just a quick introduction to the TMLs and RockPile Solutions. Hope you are as excited as I am about all these new comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Link for the RockPile is below, and we'll see you next one.